Hi, I am Sanjeev Bengeri and I am the technical lead for D-Link wireless networking solutions. In this video, I am going to share with you some really interesting insights on the latest trends and solutions in the wireless networking world. We live in a world where technology lies at the very center of our lives. It's everywhere and it's changing the way we work, live and play. And Wi-Fi is an enabler of this technology transformation, connecting everyone, everything and everywhere. Wi-Fi has become an essential part of our digital lives. We rely on Wi-Fi to learn, work, shop, access entertainment, and connect with family and friends. Wi-Fi helps to connect millions of people, billions of devices to the internet. Not only that, Wi-Fi ecosystem delivers enormous benefits to the businesses, to the education, to healthcare, hospitality, and retail industries around the world. If we talk about businesses, it could be small, medium, or large enterprises. They are all in the mid of digital transformation to improve their products, services, customer experience, and most of the technologies used are all network centric, like it could be cloud computing, mobility, IoT, and analytics. This is changing the role of network at enterprises from being just an enabler to be the foundation on top of which all businesses run. While education has seen many advances over the last decade, traditional classroom model remained predominantly intact until recently. Pandemic has had a major impact on the education. It has forced students, teachers to rely on the e-learning, and there is a need to keep the pace of education moving forward. And Wi-Fi can transform traditional classroom into a securely connected e-learning network. It also allows us to implement new educational experiences by leveraging the technologies like augmented reality and virtual reality. Similarly, healthcare industry is also greatly benefited by a reliable Wi-Fi. It helps healthcare IT managers to meet the growing connectivity demands of healthcare staff, patients, their families. Wi-Fi is not merely a matter of business or a customer satisfaction, but timely access to data can save lives. Wi-Fi enabled devices can be used to share the real-time patients' data with nurses, doctors, enabling care in a timely manner. The future of work and learning is going to be hybrid. There's an increased dependency on video communication platforms like Zoom, WebEx, and Teams, and we think that's here to stay. Even if employees are back in the office and students are back in the classrooms, we are still going to have a hybrid model. Good Wi-Fi is not just about the coverage. Most of the wireless network deployed today are designed to support only data applications and normal browsing. But these collaborative platforms are really high bandwidth applications. Users expect really low latency network connection so that they don't have any jitter or loss in the video or audio. Most of these collaborative tools are used by mobile devices, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. And these devices connect to network via wireless, which makes the wireless the primary means of network connectivity. Wi-Fi has evolved and improved continuously with each generation, bringing faster speeds, lower latency, better user experience, and better overall performance to meet the needs of both consumers as well as businesses. The latest generation of Wi-Fi is 802.11ax, which builds on the success of 802.11ac and 802.11n. Until recently, Wi-Fi generations were referred to by an IEEE standard that required us to understand whether 802.11n was faster than 802.11ac or the other way around. To help users identify devices that provide the latest Wi-Fi experience, Wi-Fi Alliance has introduced a simplified naming scheme to make Wi-Fi generations easier to understand for a common user, similar to how we use 3G, 4G and 5G. The latest generation of Wi-Fi, which is based on IEEE 802.11ax standard, is known as Wi-Fi 6. The previous generation of Wi-Fi based on IEEE 802.11ac standard is known as Wi-Fi 5 and 802.11an standard, which is known as Wi-Fi 4. With introduction of Wi-Fi 6, wireless speed can go up to almost 4 times faster than the previous standard, and this is great for businesses with heavy wireless usage. Simple tasks like video calls, downloading, or transferring heavy data files will become quicker. Wi-Fi 6 basically achieves these advancements through 6 primary features: OFDMA, multi-user MIMO, target wake time, BSS coloring, 160 MHz channel, and 1024 QAM. Now the question is, what Wi-Fi solution should the enterprises or education or healthcare or hospitality or retail customers should be looking at? The purpose of any wireless network is to allow multiple mobile devices to connect effectively, efficiently, and securely. And there are many critical important aspects of the wireless network that needs to be controlled to ensure the same. Although the underlying technologies is complex and sophisticated, configuring and managing wireless network needs to be straightforward, cost-effective, and hassle-free for any organization. When it comes to wireless, there is no universal requirement or a solution that fits for all. We need to customize the solution based on the various factors such as type of deployment, whether it's a single site or multi-sites, different scenarios in the campuses like reception, cabins, meeting rooms, etc. In high density areas like cafeterias, auditorium, and outdoor areas. It also depends on the performance requirements like seamless roaming, security, scalability, and high availability. Good news is that D-Link has the right solution for single sites like small, medium, or large campuses, as well as multi-sites requirement. D-Link solutions are categorized based on what type of management it supports. Hardware-based on-premise management, which is a unified solution. Software-based on-premise or a private cloud management, which is a Nucleus Connect solution. Cloud-based management, which is a Nucleus Cloud solution. Unified wireless is a classic way of deploying and managing medium to large-scale enterprise wireless network, which typically have many access points. This solution consists of access points for user connectivity and on-premise hardware controller to centrally configure and manage multiple access points deployed in different buildings or floors. Apart from access point management, the hardware controller also supports user authentication, seamless roaming, redundancy, and avoids interference and provides the visibility. Unified wireless portfolio includes multiple hardware controller models, Wi-Fi 5 and latest Wi-Fi 6 access points for different coverage and user density requirements. Nucleus Connect solution is a software managed solution in which access points are configured and managed from a software application. As a software application, it makes wireless management more flexible as it can be deployed in a single campus as an on-premise management or can be hosted in a data center or a private cloud for a multiple branch offices or a retail outlets wireless management. Nucleus Connect supports license-free management up to 1,500 access points. In addition to software, Nucleus Connect solution also supports two more management options: Nucleus Connect Hub appliance for a small campuses up to 100 access points management and Nucleus Connect mobile app for an individual access point management. Apart from three different management solutions, the portfolio includes Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 5, ceiling mount access points, in-wall access points, and outdoor access points for a different coverage and different density requirements. The easiest to use and most flexible wireless network management solution is cloud-based network management solution. In Nucleus Cloud solution, the controller function, which is configuration and management, is performed by a virtual controller in the cloud. Its advantage is that it's simple to install with zero-touch provisioning. All it requires is a power and basic internet access. Once it is powered on, it can automatically register itself under customer's cloud account based on the provisioning. Access points can be shipped to remote locations without any pre-configuration. Absolutely no configuration is required at the site, also where the access point is going to be deployed. The complete wireless management can be done from the cloud dashboard that can be easily accessed from any device with a browser or mobile app. All the configuration and software updates are pushed from the cloud. It is more useful for the customers who have multiple branch offices or retail outlets across the city, state, or country, as customer need not have an IT team in all those locations, which saves a lot of manpower cost. Nucleus Cloud supports unlimited scalability. It is built on a highly reliable platform ensuring 99.9% uptime and meets global standards for security and data privacy compliance. The cloud managed solution portfolio includes Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 5 indoor and outdoor access points models for different coverage and user density requirements. Organizations are looking for different types of systems to configure and manage their wireless networks depending upon their priorities and needs. D-Link has a range of solutions that encompass all approaches: cloud-based, hardware-based, and on-premises and software-based on-premises controllers. Each approach has its advantages, but there is undoubtedly a trend towards cloud-based wireless network management for organizations which are driven by the ease of use, efficiency, and cost advantages that cloud brings running our Wi-Fi networks. Nucleus Cloud is at the forefront of this trend. That said, D-Link's unified wireless and Nucleus Connect clients cater to those organizations that are looking for more detailed configuration options and sophisticated built-in failover features that on-premises wireless network controllers provide. Our system integration partners and customers can get in touch with D-Link team who can help in designing the wireless LAN solution based on the latest standard recommendation and best practice to achieve the optimum performance and synergy in the network. That's it from my side. Hope you enjoyed the video. For any further information, you can visit D-Link India official website. Thank you.